7 and square sums. If a detailed proof doesn't interest you, feel free to move on to the next video. So, now if your number is a multiple of 3, then when we square it, it'll be a multiple of 9. And so, it'll add up to 9 eventually. There's lots of nice videos why that's true. So now, let's move on to the case that your number is not a multiple of 3. Here we go now. So now, if your number is not a multiple of 3, then we'll use the difference of squares formula shown on screen. Again, there's lots of nice videos about that, so we won't be showing it in this video. So, one of those, if your number is not a multiple of 3, has to be a multiple of 3. Again, shown on screen the reason. So using the same logic for the same reason, what's going to happen is, since this is 1 less, it's going to be 1 more than a multiple of 3, and it's always going to sum up to 1 more than a multiple of, which is, guess what? 1, 4, or the troublemaker number 7. So it's just because the first two squares, 1 and 4, are 1 more than a multiple of 3, that it's a coincidence.